Okay, my dear students, welcome you in St. Mary's online class. Today, this video I am going to make for class 2. Class 2. English grammar. English grammar for class 2. English grammar page 55 for class 2. Okay, so this video is for class 2. Now you see the page number 55. Okay, page number 55, it is written, if you will see in your book, fill in the blanks with the correct option to describe what the children did yesterday. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks with the correct option. With the correct options to describe what the children did yesterday. What did these children did yesterday? Did yesterday. ओके, कल बच्चों ने क्या किया उसके बारे में तुमको लिखना है. You have to fill in the blanks. Here it is written in page number, grammar book, page number 65. Grammar book, page number 65. Okay, so what is in page number 65? Question number 1, it is done here. Nikhil dash. Nikhil dash. In the bracket, here is play and played. In the bracket, there is play and played football. Okay, first you see the sentence. What is written in the sentence? Nikhil play and played football. Only one you have to choose, play or football. Play and played. What will be there? Because it is telling what the children did yesterday. This is the matter of yesterday. Yesterday means kal. बीता हुआ कल. बीता हुआ कल मतलब कल निखिल खेला था या खेलता है. क्या होगा वहां पे? कल means yesterday. So then there will be Nikhil played, not play. Here will be played. Nikhil played football. Because in the question it is given here with the correct option to describe what the children did yesterday. कल क्या किया था? So here will be yesterday and here will be played. Question number 1. Now question number 2. Question number 2 is Anu dash. In the bracket here is gather and gathered flowers. So what will be here? Must remember in the question it is given yesterday, not today. So yesterday Anu फूल चुनी थी, फूल जमा की थी past tense. So here will be gathered. not gather. Gathered. So you will write here gathered. Okay. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Seed dash in the bracket take his dog out to play. His dog out to play. Same thing now, you understand? So what will be here? Seed, take here took, past tense because the matter of yesterday. So here will be took. Seed took. Understand? So like that, in all sentences there will be past tense. Now you see question number 4. Question number 4. Mickey dash in the bracket run and ran his dog out with the balloons. With the balloons. Okay, so what will be here? Past tense. What? Rain. Here will be rain. Now number 5. Alia. Alia in the bracket chase or chased a butterfly. Chased a butterfly. So what will be here? Past tense. Chased. Here will be also chased. C-H-A-S-E-D, chased. Okay. Now write down question number 6. Question number 6. Naina flew a cat. Naina, in the bracket, flew a kite. Okay, so what will be here? Here will be flew, F-L-E-W, flew. So there will be the past tense of fly is equal to flew. Understand? So like that, you will do all page number 65. Page number 65, you will do all. Understand? Now I will teach you word perfect spelling. Okay. You take out page number 6. One new thing I am teaching you today. When you will put ing to the verb, okay, verb plus ing. Suppose verb plus ing. Here is go. Go plus ing is equal to going. No changing in the spelling. Here is go and here is ing. This go, ing we have written together. It became going. go और in को एक साथ लगा दिया, no changing, no addition, no subtraction, so it became. But when you will write come, C-O-M-E, come, then if you will put ing, you will not write like that, C-O-M-E-I-N-G, not like that. This is wrong. This is wrong. Then what you will write? Here is E, and this E will be removed from here. There will be no E. E will be removed from here. When we shall write coming, C-O-M-I-N-G, coming. Okay, followed it. Here was G-O-I-N-G. We have written the same thing, G-O-I-N-G going. But here is C-O-M-E, come plus I-N-G. But when we shall write coming, then we shall not write E. We shall write only C-O-M-I-N-G, coming. Understand? Same thing like that. Give. G-I-V-E, give plus I-N-G. So when you will write giving. When you will write giving, G-I-V, give spelling is G-I-V-E, give. Then I-N-G, giving. No, it is wrong. Why it is wrong? We have not removed the E from there. So we have to remove E. We have to remove E. We shall write G-I-V, not E. After that, this I-N-G. So it will be giving. Understand? Like that. Take. T-A-K-E, take. Plus I-N-G. So it will be T-A-K-I-N-G. We have not written here E. So it will be taking. Okay? Take, taking. Have, having. H-A-V-E, have plus I-N-G. So it is having. H-A-V-I-N-G. No E. E is removed. E removed from there. Okay, understand? So this is the rules of how you will write after adding ing in the verb. Okay, so what you change in here, if there is E at the last of the verb, and when you will write after adding ing, you will remove the E from the spelling. Understand? Okay, now you see here. Again, next example. Next example is, here is run. R-U-N, run, plus I-N-G. Okay. When there was E at the last of the verb, you remove the verb when you added ing. And now, here what you will do, here you will not remove, here you will add run. You will not write like that, run plus ing is equal to like that, running. Not like that. This is wrong. So what you will write here? You will write R-U-N-N-I-N-G, running. You will write running. If there is dropping, D-R-O-P, drop plus ing. What you will write? P will be double. So D-R-O-P-P-I-N-G, dropping. Okay? Then rubbing, R-U-B plus I-N-G. Then rubbing, we will write double B last, rubbing. Okay? Are you following these things? Last letter is double. Okay. Running, dropping, rubbing, swimming, swim, S-W-I-M, plus I-N-G. So it will be swimming, S-W-I-M-M-I-N-G. M-I-N-G. Swimming. Okay. Clapping. C-L-A-P. Clap plus I-N-G. So it became clapping. Okay. So must remember it. Some rules when you are adding ing in the verb. These are the common mistakes. Students sometimes do these mistakes. Okay. So like that, there are many spellings. Sit plus ing, it will be sitting. Sit plus ing, sitting. Hug plus ing, hugging. Understand? Okay. Now I will teach you that things. Before that, I have taught you. You will write the yesterday. This one done. Yesterday, I went to school. Not I go to school. So you have to learn the past form of the verb. You have to learn the past form of the verb. Now I'm going to write that things and you will learn it. This is the very essential thing for the primary learning of the English grammar. Understand? Present, past and past participle. Present, past participle. Okay. Go. Then here will be past tense will be went. Go, went. Gone. Come. Came. Come, came, come. Okay. Run. Run. Ran. Look here. Eat. Ate. Eaten. Okay. Eat, ate, eaten. Take. Took. Taken. Give. Gave. Given. Make. Made. Made. Work. Worked. Worked. Okay. Look. Looked. Looked. See. Saw. Seen. Understand? She saw. Seen. Okay. Now. Okay. Now you write another verb. Send. Sent. Sent. Send means भेजना. some verb will be the same. Put. Put means rakhna. Sat. So some verbs will be same in the present, past and participle. Okay? Sat. The next, bring, brought. Bring, brought. Keep, kept. Okay. Live, lived. This live means रहना. Leave means छोड़ना. Left and left. Okay, my dear students, today this much. Okay, goodbye and thank you.